like to make some homemade toothpaste with our garden fresh mint. I steep the mint in a jar of coconut oil. After letting it sit for a day or two, you'll get that nice light green color to the oil. So for this next step, you will need one of these with some very fine mesh holes, another jar, preferably a mason jar that's a wide mouth. It'll just make it easier. And you're going to just put this over here like that. And you might want to push the plant matter a little bit to further get the oil out. Now, once you get your plant matter strained out, you can go ahead and return the oil to your original container. The last two ingredients that I use is I always put a few drops of pure oregano oil. This brand you can just buy on Amazon. I like to use oregano oil because it's a really good antibacterial and antiseptic. So it just adds an extra cleaning agent to your mouth. So maybe about 3 or 4 drops. The last ingredient, of course, is baking soda. So you add your scoops of that to your oil and you stir and mix it in. It just depends how thick and pasty you like it. I like mine to be a little runny. You can use like a little plastic spatula to kind of drizzle it on your toothbrush like that, or maybe even a wooden spoon. I like the plastic spoons because I can keep it in the jar with the lid on, and it's ready to go for whenever I need it. I also like to use a food grade approved bentonite clay, replace some of the baking soda and add some of the bentonite clay. For those of you who don't know what bentonite clay is, it comes from a volcanic ash and it actually has a lot of healing and medicinal properties of its own. It is said that the Aztecs used it as well as the Native Americans. And there you have it. Homemade toothpaste made extremely simple with just 4 ingredients.